What's up everyone, welcome back to this channel. So in this video we're going to be installing the ram air intake for the 2003 Honda Accord. So we bought some ram air intake from eBay. So for now it's going to have this ram air intake. So like, subscribe, turn the notification bell on, and let's get to this video. So you got the stock engine right here. So this is the intake right here. You can see that old ugly big box with the screws in there. So we will take the screws out and then we will put the new intake in there. So we took the screws out with this wrench right there with an expansion, and we are using the tip, which is a 8mm. So you will get the intake in a lot of pieces, but it will look like this. You can see with that red thing, I connect the tubes right there, and then it will pretty much look like this. Okay, so then we disconnect everything that touches the intake, the old intake. So all the sensors and everything like that. Finally, you take the intake out after everything is disconnected and unscrewed. So you can see this box right there that covers the intake, and then you can see the filter right here, and you can see the filter real dirty right now. So after this, you remove some boxy screw, like it's not a screw, like a connection that connects with the intake, and it's pretty much the biggest connection in the intake. So you have to take the box out and just leave the tube. After that, you put the orange piece that looks like the smallest one that has like 3 lines. Then every few pieces you put this thing that I forgot what it's called, but you can see right there. Then you put the first piece that is like a curved piece. Make sure the connector is pointing, those two connectors pointing inside the car, and this one connecting outside the car. Then after this, you connect the other orange piece that looks more regular, like flat piece or more cylinder piece. Here we were checking if it fits in the car, which it does. But if you're installing it like that, you have to put this metal bracket, so you can tighten up the intake and put it in one piece, because if you put it like that, it will just fall apart, and yeah, it will be very bad. So there's a little piece of little tube we took down there, and we replace it with the orange one. Then we connect the tube right there, the original tube that has like a big square, but we took all this piece off and just put it in this intake, in the new intake. And we couldn't fit the orange one because like we couldn't take it out, and yeah. So this one was the right size. So you can see it fits perfectly. Then after we connected everything back again, so you can see we're connecting the sensor right here. And yeah, it will look very nice after that. And it will sound like this. So you can see the intake right here. Very nice looking intake. And in the last video, I painted this this cover right here. It was a nice paint. It's still right here, like after like probably a few weeks. It's still here. It didn't peel nothing. Like, it's a nice paint. And I'm planning to probably take this cover and this cover off and then paint it like color grayish, like what you call this, kind of like this gray or maybe black or something. I'll probably paint it like that, or maybe white. I could paint it white, but yeah, there's an intake right here. We got some different color tubes right there, and yeah, it's still not dirty after a few weeks. It's kind of nice, but it looks very nice. Fit. Good boy, good boy. Fit, Bruno. Let's go, Bruno. Bruno. Let's go. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Fit. Fit. Oh, there's a helicopter. Where are you, helicopter? Princess. We should probably buy one like those from, like, you have to change. Oh my goodness. Okay, this one that goes right there, we have to cut this tube, and then change all this so it makes it louder, or we should do something to make it louder. But yeah, for now we're doing this. New exhaust, like new exhaust system coming up one day. I'll waste my money for this. Finally, some modification for the Honda. Woo! 216,000 miles on this 2003 Honda Accord. Like, wow. So yeah, and you can even hear it. Like, look, you can even hear the psh from the intake, and look, you can hear it. I don't know if you can hear it from the camera, but I have no idea if you can hear it from the camera, but you can still hear it. But not right now, but it goes like psh. It kind of sounds nice when you're in the street or something. When you're in the road, it kind of sounds nice, to be honest. But we just turned the car. So I hope you like this video. Please subscribe, turn the notification bell on, and thanks for watching. Goodbye.